Okay, let's have a look now at the data intelligence pipeline that we use to orchestrate the data tiering in our project. Let's open it from the machine learning scenario manager and let's inspect it. So as you can see, this pipeline is made of standard operators. We can recognize three different types: the SQL consumer, table producer, and the flow agent SQL executor. Let's start inspecting the first one. The SQL consumer is used basically to execute some custom SQL statement on a specified DB. In our case, we are using the connection to the underlying AnaDB. We are executing this specific select in order to, let's say, select all the data that we want to move. Basically, we are leaving on the AnaDB only the last load, last iteration. These data are sent in the form of a table to the next operator. The table producer is used to save the data into a table, into a specified database. In our case, the specified database is the ANA Data Lake Relational Engine. So we can have a look at the configuration. So here you see the connection to the ANA Data Lake Relational Engine previously created. And you see that here the target is a table named vehicle activity created in the data lake with the same structure of the AnaDB table. We are appending our data every time, and here one can basically map all the fields. Then there is another SQL consumer. This is used to execute this let's say SQL statement. This is to retrieve the timestamp of the most recent data that we have moved. This is sent to the next operator, the table producer, and here we rewrite basically this data into technical table in the underlying AnaDB. The last operator, the flow agent SQL executor, basically execute a delete statement. So basically this is responsible for the cleaning of the AnaDB table. Basically we are removing all the data we have moved. So all the data that have timestamp that is older than the one we have written in the technical table are removed. This pipeline is also scheduled in data intelligence every 6 hours. So it runs every six hours, and it is used basically to clean the AnaDB that in our case is our hot storage.